Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to talk about why Macs don't need to be defragmented. In fact, this was a question I had because I just got a new Mac Pro. And I was wondering, well, why do they not have a defragmentation tool like Windows does? So I looked it up and this is what I found. If you saw my other video, you'll know that when you write stuff to the hard drive, SSDs do not count. When you write stuff to a hard drive, it writes it in one long list. So you delete something, takes that out, and on a PC, if you're going to install another program, it installs some in that space that was left, and then continues from the bottom. Alright? Macs don't do that though. In a Mac, if you do that, you have a bunch of storage that you've used, you take something out. When you go to install a program that's bigger than that size, it won't install it there. They'll just install it on another part of the disk that has enough space available. And if it's small enough to fit in that space, it'll write it there. If you go to open a file that has fragmentation, it'll defragment it immediately. All this stuff is automatic, or just doesn't need to be done in the first place, basically. So whereas Windows needs to be told to defragment the hard disk, a Mac does it automatically. And in a lot of cases it completely avoids the need to be defragmented anyway. In fact, the only time that you would ever really need to, according to my research, is if your hard drive is almost completely full. And from what I understand about hard drives, that would be because it then doesn't have enough room to swap out the bits here and there and then move them all over the place because there's just not enough storage to do that. So, yeah. That's why Macs don't need to be defragmented. It pretty much just avoids it altogether, and when it does get fragmented, it takes care of the problem immediately. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, like. If you didn't, dislike, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think. Thank you.